So there are many things that you can do, I think. I mean, the first is, obviously, you're going to be searching for PhD opportunities, so you need to keep an eye open for all those wonderful 4-year PhD programs. Are you a biologist or a... yes. Yeah. So I would look for all of those, first of all, but then you should also look, because there are many people who have PhD positions available, but they're not necessarily part of the large programs. And if there's somebody whose work you're really interested in, you should write to them directly and say, I'm interested in this. Do you have any funding available for me to do a PhD? Because sometimes people do. And meanwhile, if you can't get one to start in October and you're looking for something now, then my advice would always be write to people you're interested in and ask whether you could come and work for them for a year. Because many people have short-term funding for 6 months or a year or something. And what you should look to do, I think, is try to get some skills which will be helpful for you in the long term, the sort of things that you might want to learn. For example, I don't know, just learning a few molecular biology skills would stand you in good stead, I think, probably whatever you want to do.
Thank you very much. Seeing you nodding along there, then,
yeah, well,
having taken a different route.
Somewhat agree. Getting in touch with people who are doing things that you are interested in, or in technologies you think are going to be very useful for the kind of research that you want to do. It can be difficult finding a lab that will let you come in, even for free, because even if you will work for free, there is a cost to the person in supervising and training you. So if you can make it very clear that you really can help, that letter that you write, it's kind of easy, or maybe I'm reading them wrong, but it seems kind of easy to tell which are the ones that are coming as a blast to all sorts of people, spam, as opposed to ones where they say, I want to work with you. So really focus it.
Yes. I want to work with you because.
Yes.